Hey guys, today we're going to be making minnow traps really quick out of these gallon water bottles. So pretty much all you need is a knife, gallon water bottle, and a stapler. So let's cut into this right here. You kind of want to cut it around at one of these lines you see. This is the best place to cut it. Okay. Take off the cap. And you're basically just going to slide it in like this. That's basically all you got to do. So then, we're just going to put some bread inside. And they're going to swim in, and they won't be able to get out. So, right here, you're just going to staple this. You might have to do a few staples. Sometimes they don't go all the way through. The plastic is kind of thick. That one did, yeah. So, take this one out really quick. Oh man, come on. There we go. Yeah, you want to try not to do it on the pieces of plastic with space in between. And if you don't, then it'll go right through. That one went through. That one did not. That one didn't, whatever. Okay, that's good enough. There we go. So, I mean, that's not going to go anywhere. It's stapled in as well as it's going to get stapled in. Sometimes the staples work, sometimes they don't. It's whatever. Again, I have a pretty terrible stapler, so. Yeah, that's basically all you're going to do. And then we're going to cut a little trapdoor in the corner to drain them. But we'll do that in a minute. So, let me do this really quick for the other ones. And then we'll go out and set them, and we'll see if we can get anything. Alright. After that's done, I had 3 traps. We're probably only going to use 2 of them in today's video. Let's cut the trapdoor on the side. There. There. And it'll cut there. Right there. So the way this works, the plastic is going to stay because that's the way it's molded. But whenever you get all your minnows and you want to dump them out, you can just pull this back and you can dump them all out, but it'll stay. And if you're kind of skeptical, thinking that they can just push it open or whatever, I tend to put a little piece of tape on it, so it'll stay. Alright, there's 2. Alrighty. And there's our 3 traps. So it might be a little bit later in the day, whenever you see me implant these, but, well, I guess I'll see you then. Hey guys, I'm out here with the, we got the traps all set up. So what I did, I ran a zip tie. Let's do this one. I ran a zip tie. Let's get it here. I ran a zip tie around. I tied the string in, and I also put a little metal pin to hold it all in place. So these should not come undone. I have 2 of them. We already got the bread in there and stuff. I'm gonna put one in right in here. This is a little bit more shallow. There's some smaller minnows in here. And then I'm gonna put the second one in right in here. This is where I saw minnows the other day. And there's some bigger ones in here. Probably 3 or 4 inches in here. So I can't see any right now. Let's go find a stick, first off. Stick these down. That'll work. And that's all rotten. This one's pretty strong. That one's pretty rotten. Is that one rotten? Ah, that'll work. Whatever. Alright. Ow. Alrighty, we'll do the water. The mud is thicker here. So, let's tie this up. Let me tie this up really quick. Alright, we got the first one tied up. We'll stake it in right. Actually, let's slide this down a little bit. Alright, let's push it in right here, maybe? Or right here? Right here looks fine. Hey, one sec. Let me get this all staked in. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. That's all the way staked in. It's a little bit wiggly, but it's not going to go anywhere. Then, let's go ahead and fill in our trap. And we'll go ahead and throw it in here. So, first, let's get some water in it. First, actually, before we get some water in it, let's poke some holes in it. Maybe. Right there. Alright, that'll work. Alright, let's step out here. Alright, push that out. Oh no, it's floating. Oh no, it sank. Alright. Let's make sure it's... We'll chuck it back up on that in a sec. And then we'll make sure that it's facing all the right way and stuff. And now, let's do this one. Alright, give me 1 second. I'm going to get this all tied up and then we'll get it all staked in. Alright guys, we got our trap. It's all tied up, staked in. We're going to go ahead and step down in here. Alright. We already got the bed in there. There's holes in it. We're all set up. Let's go ahead and get some water in there. Fill it up all the way. And we'll just slide it out there. And it's going to sink. And everything's fine. Alright. Now we just got to climb out of here. Oops. Yikes. Ooh, okay. Alright, we're all good on that one. You can see it right there. A little bit of glare. Let's go over here. Set it in right there. It's all ready. And when we come over here, that one's all set well. I can already see a few minnows in there. These are the small ones though. I'm trying to get the bigger ones. But yeah, I'll be back. I'm gonna go home and eat lunch. It's about, right now it's 2:15 on the dot. So I'm gonna head back in and I'll be out here maybe 3:30 or 4. And well, we'll check our traps. Alright, see you then. Alright, hey guys, we're back here again by the river. It's about, last clip you saw was we were out here at about 2:15. Right now it's 6:20, so it's been like 4 hours. And it's been raining since then. I didn't know it was going to rain. And the water is like 10 inches higher. So we're going to see if we can pull up the traps here. Alright, let's see if we got anything. Here's our first trap.
Did you get anything?
Where's our trusty bottle here? Let's see. Got a little trap door. I don't think we got anything. Let's see here. I don't think we actually got anything.
There might be something in the other trap.
Nah, it's completely empty. Alright guys, let's check the other one. Right, it's right here. Right in there. I'm not going to use the, I have a hook for my stick. So I'm just going to kind of hook it here. This is the one that I'm hoping for because there were some big minnows here the other day. Nothing. I mean, I can literally see minnows like right there. I can literally see minnows like right down there. So, all right. Well, at least I showed you guys how to make them.